One of the new features that I want to talk to you about is Guardrails, which is available in n8n. So what is Guardrails? Guardrail is helping you to sanitize the text before it goes to the AI agent. For example, if I add a chat model here, and here is chat trigger, and if I directly connect it with the AI agent, suppose this is the AI agent, and I will be connecting the chat model, for example, OpenAI, or any chat model. Of course, we can use DeepSeek even. So let me connect DeepSeek here. And now what happens that when I send any data, for example, uh, my name is Amjad and this is my email and my website is. So now I have sent this data, and definitely this data directly goes into the AI agent and it gives me response back. You can see here, complete data has gone there. But now I want to protect my personal data. I want to put a guardrail here so that AI agent doesn't take any personal data. Whenever it will be, of course, required in most of the cases within the workflow, you might have various information available that you want to send to the AI agent, and AI agent needs to respond back, but you should not be sending the personal data. So what we'll do in that case, I'll be adding the guardrail here. And this is the guardrail, which is a new feature added. So I'll be clicking here to sanitize the text. Now you can see that the guardrail is sitting between the AI agent and your data input. So I'll be clicking this and now I'll be bringing the chat input here. And if of course, if I directly execute this, it will execute and there is no checks. In order to add the checks, I will be using the guardrails, and guardrails will be personal data, which I want to protect. Whether you want to protect all or you want to protect selected, for example, selected could be crypto, credit card, IBN. So it will be protecting all of these addresses. Credit card details, in case by mistake somebody is typing, IP address, location, phone number, and all of that. So I will be protecting all here. It is personal data content. And then is the secret keys also I will be protecting. I won't allow to go the secret keys to the AI agent. And then also I don't want to uh, take the URLs to the AI agent. When I run this now, of course, let me pin this because it already has my information, and I will run this now. You will see here that it has done various checks. So it has checked for the personal data, and it knows that there is a personal data, email was found. Then there is checks for the secret keys. It said that it has name is secret key and it is true. And what are the detected secrets? It is information which is amjad@example.com. It has detected the website also, and URL checks are also done, and so on. So what is blocked? You can see here block is this one. So what is sanitized text? Now you can see here on top, this text is guardrails input. This is the sanitized text. Now if I go here to AI agent, instead of taking that chat input, I am using define below, and this will be the guardrail input now, which will be going to AI agent. So whatever now I type here, and if I start, my email address is example.com, and I ask what is my email address. So I asked this and I sent the email address. So you can see I cannot see your email address as the message you sent in the query. The text secret appears where the email address should have been. So this is how now AI agent is responding back, because the guardrail is in between the AI agent and your chat input. It could be any input, of course. You might be uh, sending the invoice details to AI agent. You might be sending the resume to AI agent. You might be sending any other data to AI agent. But now the guardrails is there to protect your data, and guardrails will be protecting to make sure that your data doesn't go to AI agent, or of course to any other place, in fact. So this is the beauty of guardrails in n8n. So keep exploring. There is a lot available. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.